Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn progressions exercise number 3 question number 2. Find the sums given below. So here series is given, we have to find the sums. So 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on plus 84. So in the previous question, he clearly mentioned find a sum of 100 terms, find a sum of 20 terms, find a sum of 30 terms like that. But in the question, he is asking find the sum of the given series. A series is given, you have to find the sum. How many terms he not mentioned in this question? So we have to find number of terms present in this question. How many terms are present in this question first? So that is nothing but n value we have to find. Question mark. So here the last term of the series is nothing but 84. With the help of this, we are going to find the n value. So now you see here, what is the first term in this series? This is a1, this is a2, this is a3, and so on. So now here we will find the first term. First term a1 is equal to a is equal to 7. So difference, common difference is nothing but a2 minus a1. Here the second term is 10 1 by 2 minus 7. So this is a mixed fraction. Convert into normal fraction. 2 times 10 is nothing but 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. Nothing is there in the denominator, assume as a 1. So both are fractions. Now we have to subtract these two fractions. So just you see here, just you cross multiply. 21 into 1 is nothing but 21. Minus symbol is there, keep that minus symbol. 2 into 7 is nothing but 14. 2 into 1 in the denominator, that is nothing but 2 again. So multiply, 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. 21 minus 14. So what is the difference? 7 by 2. This is the value of common difference, 7 by 2. It is nothing but 3.5. Okay. Now we will solve the question. So nth term is given, that is an is 84 he is saying. So a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of nth term, that is equal to 84. So now what is a here? 7, first term, n minus 1, where d is nothing but 7 by 2, that is equal to 84. Send this 7 to right side, what happens? N minus 1 into 7 by 2, 84 minus 7. So here this is 77. N minus 1, 7 by 2 is equal to 77. So here 7 by 2, it is in multiplication, it goes to division. So n minus 1 is equal to 77 into, whenever a fraction is coming to right side, it becomes reverse, 2 by 7. 7 1 times, 7 11 times. 11 into 2 is nothing but 22. N minus 1 is equal to 22. So send that 1 to right side. 22 plus 1, that is 23. So how many terms are there in the given series are nothing but n is equal to 23. Now we calculated the first term, that is 7. Difference is 7 by 2. And number of terms in this series is nothing but 23. Now we have to find the sum. So we use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So using that formula, we are going to find the sum. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of n terms of AP series, where n is nothing but 23 terms are there. So 23 by 2 times. First term is nothing but 7. 23 minus 1. Difference is nothing but 7 by 2. Now if you simplify this, 23 by 2, 2 sevens are 14. This is 23 minus 1 is 22. 7 by 2. 2 1 time 2, 11 times here. So 23 by 2, this is 14, and this is 11 into 7 is nothing but 77. Okay, 11 into 7 is nothing but 77. Add these two, 77 and 14 together, how much? So this is 1 here. Again this is 1. 91 I am getting. 23 by 2 into this is total is 91. So simplify. This is 2 4s are 8. Okay, 1 is left. 2 5s are 10. Put a dot. 45.5. So 91 half is nothing but 45.5. So now you multiply this 45.5 with 23. You will get the final answer. So 45.5 with 23. 3 5 is 15. 1 here, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16. 1 here, 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13. 2 5 is 10. 1 here, 2 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 here, 2 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 5 here, 6, 4, and this is 10. So point after one digit. So 1046.5. So this is a sum of 23 terms of the given series. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends. So in this second bit, we have complete 3 questions. I solved 1 question. Remaining 2 questions as your homework.